In this video, we will be discussing the KoolMore front load washer, a 4.5 cubic feet machine that promises convenience, efficiency, and advanced washing features. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washer in the description below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is its ultra-quiet inverter motor, which ensures your laundry won't disturb the rest of the household. The front load design makes it easy to load and unload clothes, while providing superior cleaning performance compared to traditional top-load models. The KoolMore FLW-5CWH comes equipped with 12 washing cycles to accommodate everything from delicate fabrics to heavy towels and jeans. Its Steam and Water Plus functions enhance cleaning power by loosening tough stains and ensuring fabrics stay soft and fresh. If you're in a hurry, the 20-minute quick wash is a real lifesaver, perfect for lightly soiled clothes or last-minute laundry needs. Another thoughtful feature is the My Cycle personalization option, which allows you to save your favorite settings and access them quickly in the future, making your laundry routine faster and more convenient. In terms of performance, this washer has a maximum spin speed of 1,200 revolutions per minute, which effectively removes excess water, reducing drying time. The unit's high efficiency rating is a significant benefit for energy-conscious households, helping lower electricity bills without compromising cleaning quality. At 27 inches wide and with a 4.5 cubic feet capacity, it strikes a balance between accommodating large loads and fitting comfortably in standard laundry spaces. On the practical side, the inverter motor ensures quieter operation, meaning you won't have to deal with disruptive noise while the machine runs. However, it's worth noting that at 216 pounds, it's a substantial appliance, so installation and movement may require assistance. Some users may also find that the wide variety of cycles can take a little getting used to initially, but the My Cycle feature mitigates this by simplifying repeat usage. Overall, the KoolMore FLW-5CWH front load washer combines quiet, efficient operation with versatile washing options and modern features that make laundry easier and more effective. From busy households to individuals who want a powerful yet convenient washing solution, this machine delivers reliability, energy savings, and customizable performance that fits today's lifestyle.